Hi everyone. My name is Chien, and right now I'm going to have a brief introduction of myself. And I'm from Department of Molecular Bioscience and Bioengineering, and it's my first year for here for the States to study my PhD students to pursue my PhD program. And this is the outline, and including um the first one is a brief introduction, and the second one is education and professional background, and the last one is my research experience. And it's my brief introduction and my background. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a nurse, so I'm kind of from medical and healthcare related fields. And my hobby, there are multiple. I have multiple hobbies that including I play basketball, and I play go games, and I also like reading and hiking. Okay, this is my education and professional backgrounds. I was raised and born in Taiwan, and so I received both my bachelor and master degrees in National Zhongxin University, which is located in Taiwan, and my major is agronomy. But when I entered a master degree, my focus is on bioinformatics and biostatistics, which uh I would introduce more in the following points. And after I graduate, I entered uh Taiwan Agricultural Research Institute, which is a institute that's supported by the government. And it's my first job as a research assistant, and when I was a research assistant, I did the research about the rice breeding in TARI. And after 1 year, I want to find more funding and become more independent in doing research. So I went to TARI, which is uh, it's a semi-government institute that focus on banana research, and uh, and I did as a assistant researcher over there, and my focus is on banana post-harvest and biochemistry. So I did some research project. We went to several banana fields to do the investigation. And we also help the farmers to protect their banana field from the disease and insects. Okay, this is my research experience, and this is this is my first SCI paper as a first author, and uh, this is my this is from my master thesis, and the topic is we use the algorithm, algorithm and gene prioritization method to prioritize the uh soybean flooding genes, flooding genes in soybean. So this is different work, including three steps, which is bioinformatics and big data mining and integration. The second is meta-analysis and gene prioritization. And the last one is evaluation. So through these steps, we found a group of genes that is significantly related to the um, flooding genes in soybean. And this group of genes could be utilized uh, for the researchers that who is really interested in soybean breeding. Okay, the next one is I've mentioned that I did some experience in TRI. So this is what we did in the TRI, and we did a breeding for resistance for bacteria leaf blight in rice, and we also do the inoculation And we also measure the length of the disease in rice leaf. Yeah, this is the situation at that time. And I also did some side research in TRI. And um, the framework is from my master thesis. So I use the same framework, but this time I focus on the Weddy red rice because um my previous PI in TRI he was really interested in Weddy red rice, which is a weeds in rice field. So we need to remove them. So that's why we have this side project. And in the end, I find a group of genes which we call hub genes over here. And this gene could, if we could use or utilize these genes, we can efficiently remove the very rare rice from the rice field in Taiwan. Okay, this is a research experience when I jump into the second job as a assistant researcher, and we did some research that related to climate change, and this is what we did in what I did in TBRI, and because our government want to know that what is the effect of the climate change that what is it? What is it effect on banana production in Taiwan from the climate change? So we did. So that's why we have this project. We went to several places and we collected uh banana uh banana data from different province, and then we collect data and we compare the data with the previous data, the historical data in TBRI, and we find out that in the end, right now, the climate change don't affect the banana production significantly until now. But in the future, we are not sure. So I think this project need to keep going on. Okay, this is another project that I did in TBRI. And the background is because uh, Taiwan, we export bananas to Japan every year. So that's why we need to do some prevention of our bananas. And there's one of the significant disease which called banana corn rot in bananas in Taiwan. So we want to use some non-pesticide materials to prevent our bananas from corn rot. So we did this project, and we also use some heat treatment to kill the fungi from the banana corn rot. And in the end, we have some good results. Yeah, and we get the fundings. We got a budget from the government. Yeah, thank you. This is my brief introduction of my background and my research experience. Thank you for your listening.